What products contain maltodextrin? Well, I'm going to show you that today, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy. There's a lot of products that contain maltodextrin, and so we're going to cover that in the next section.
Hey, this is Lance McGowan, the Tropical Smoothie Guy, and today we're going to talk about some products that contain maltodextrin, and below are some of the most common products that contain it. All right, so you have baked goods, canned fruits, cereals, candy, chips like Cheetos, fat-free products, sugar-free products, frozen yogurt, mass gainers, which is a type of supplement. Also in meats, especially processed meats, if it's not processed meats like hot dogs and bologna and other things like that, you also can find it in the flesh of the animals that ate processed corn or other corn products that have been genetically modified. There's also meal replacement shakes like Ensure, Avocare, nutrition bars, pharmaceuticals. It's used a lot in medications as a binding agent and to keep things together. It's also in energy drinks and powders. Protein powders are a big one, salad dressings, spice mixes, and Splenda. So as you can see, the list is long, and maltodextrin is typically found in processed foods. So it's anything that's really been refined, heat treated, or basically the nutrition has been stripped away from it. So those are some watch outs on what to find them in. And it's key and important to find alternatives to maltodextrin, maybe like a tapioca maltodextrin, or trying to avoid it altogether and maybe go with something more organic, non-GMO. Alright, so the next steps are to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch the next video to learn more about how you can improve your health and find alternatives to maltodextrin.
Whether it's baked goods, supplements, candy, canned foods, just look in your kitchen cabinet. There's probably going to be something in there that has maltodextrin, and because it's everywhere, well, almost in everything. I did another video on that. But yeah, there's just lots of products that contain it because it is so cheap to make and it's just so readily abundant because it's sourced from corn. But the purpose of this is really just to show you that it is hidden in a lot of everyday stuff that you use every day. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the subscribe button or check out one of the links in the description box below to learn more.